Hello friends, welcome to my channel class 10 math subject chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. In that exercise 5.2 question 3. Okay, question 2 I had explained. Question 3 is we have the 5 terms. I will explain to you one in each video. Okay, I will not explain together because it's very little bit lengthy, so you can understand it easily. So friends, be ready with your book and pen and don't stop in the middle. Okay, watch full video, then only you will get understand. So let me go for question 3. In the following appears, find the missing terms. Okay, sometimes for second missing term is there, sometimes first, sometimes third. So the missing terms is given, we have to find out. So we will go start. Okay, how to do the first terms? So in these, first term is given. First term is 2 and third term is given, that is 26. Okay, two terms are given. A, so what is our A1? A is equal to 2 and A3 is equal to 26. Okay, we got this one. Okay, from that we can, as we know for an AP, what is the formula? So, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 T. So, what is our A? 2 plus N, what is that? Okay, we have to find out. So, N we know only 3 is there, only 3 terms are there. So, 3 minus 1 D, what is our D? The difference we don't know. So, we will write only here D. And what is our AN? AN is, that is A3 is here. A3 we have given. Okay. So, that is 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 D. 26 is equal to 2 plus 2D. Okay. 2 plus 2D is given. So, this 26 minus 2 we will do, that is 2D. 24 is equal to 2D. D is equal to 24 upon 2. So, D is equal to 12. So, our what is the term here given? 12. 2, 12, 26. That is the missing term. Okay, we got it. But we have to see the difference. D we have, so sorry, here the difference is 12. From here to from here. But we have to find out the proper number here. Okay. So, we have to find the proper number. So, what we will write here? The option is what we will do here. A2 is equal to A2 is equal. Now, we have to find out the A2. A1 is given. A3 is given. Okay. So, A2 is equal to 2 plus. Okay. Here 2 is given. Plus D, what is there? 12. That is, and 2 minus 1 D. So, 2 plus 1 D. What is the D? Here 12 is there. So, here we will write 12. Okay, 1 D plus 12. So, 14. So, we got the A2 14. Okay, got it? ये किस तरह से करना है? फर्स्ट टर्म हमारा दिया है, थर्ड टर्म दिया है, हमें सिर्फ सेकेंड टर्म फाइंड करना है. सेकेंड टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए हम A3 इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 3 माइनस, क्योंकि 3 टर्म है तो 3 माइनस 1 D. 26 इज इक्वल टू 2 तो 2D हो गया. D हमने फाइंड किया. D फाइंड करने के बाद हमें A2 फाइंड करना है. A2 फाइंड करने 2 प्लस 2 माइनस 1 D. तो ये 1 है, 1 इंटू 12 कितना है? 14. तो 14 आ गया. ओके, ये समझ में आया. अब सेकेंड सम्स जाते हैं. सेकेंड सम्स में हम किस तरह से करते हैं देखते. सेकेंड सम डैश 13 इधर कितना टर्म है? 4 टर्म है. सो हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म इधर फाइंड करना है और ये सेकेंड टर्म हमारा फाइंड करना है. तो ये दोनों टर्म फाइंड करना है. तो हमारा टर्म क्या है? इधर 13 और ये 3 है. सॉरी, ये 3 है. ओके, 13 और 3 है दिया है. तो कौन सा टर्म है? अभी फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं दिया है, सेकेंड टर्म दिया है. तो A2 इज इक्वल टू 13. A3 नहीं दिया है. A4 इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, ये दो दिया है. हमें पता है कि इसका टर्म अभी एस वी नो, अभी ये AP, व्हाट इज द AP? ओके, we got a formula an is equal to a and plus n minus 1 d. So what is our an? Yeah, how many terms are given? The 4 terms are given. Okay, here we will put the value of that. Okay, here we put the value. So a2 is given. We have got the a2. a2. Okay, so a2 is that. What is the a value? A का क्या है? What is the A? We don't know. Okay, we have to find out. So A plus and how many terms are there? First here, first 2 terms are given here. So 2 terms we will write 2 minus 1 D. Why? Because first we will find out dash and 13. Okay, 2 we have to find out. Then we got it. Okay, so what is our A2? A2 is 13. A plus what is D? That is our first equation. Okay, this we will find out. Now the second equation we will find out the A4. Okay, A4 is equal to A we don't know. A to naturally we don't know. And how many terms totally are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 D. Okay, what is our D? We don't know. Okay, so what is our A4? That is 3 is equal to A plus 3D. Okay, that is our second equation. And from both the equations, now we will subtract first from the second. Okay, so first from second means 3 is equal to A plus 3D and 13 is equal to A plus D. Here plus minus, this will cancel. Minus 13 or minus plus 3. So minus 10 is equal to minus 2D. So 2D is D is equal to what you will get? Minus 10 upon minus 2, that is of D is equal to 5. Okay, we got the D 5. Okay, here we have find out the D. अब D find किया है. So we will put this D in the equation 1. So 13 is equal to A plus D. That is 13 is equal to A. What is? We don't know. Okay. And D what is? Minus 5. So 13 is equal to what we will do? A is equal to 13 plus 5. That is A is equal to 18. We got the answer 18. Okay. We have find out the first term here 8. 8 we got it. Okay, the second terms also means the difference will be there like that 18, 13, 8, 3. We will get these sums. Okay, we have find first sums. Now we have to find out the third term. Okay, here we got the answer 18. So here we have to find the third term. So A3 is equal to what we will the A3. हम वही वापस that the same position we will write. The formula is A plus n minus 1 D. So what is our A? 18 plus what is our n? What is our n? 2 minus 1. Okay. Or what we have to find? The 3 terms. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1. And what is our D? Okay. D is minus 5. So minus 5 we have written. So 18 plus 2 into minus 5, that is 18 plus minus 10, that is 8. 18 minus 10, 8. So we got here again the answer 8. Okay, we got the answers. So easily I had explained first which terms we have to find out, then the next terms we have to find out. Okay, got it? If you have any doubts, then comments, send me in the comment section. If you like my video, click the like button, comment, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.